Hi guys, welcome back to the session. So today we are going to discuss about how to practice the Spark in our local. So to practice the Spark, you need to do some setup, okay? Or else you can go with a Cloudera as well with a Spark shell, but that is not much easy to practice. So we are going to do some Spark setup locally. Okay, so for this we need to set up the Java installation and as well as winutils, Spark and IntelliJ. Okay, so we'll start one by one. So the first step will be the Java installation. Okay, so now let's come to the Java installation. So now if you want to see if any Java version is already installed or what is the version it is, so then you can just in a Windows button search, you can just click on search with a command prompt, and you will see a prompt will be open like this as a command prompt. Then you just search with a Java space hyphen version. You see Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So that means so you don't have any Java version. So in such scenario, you can just go to the this given link. These links I am going to add in the description as well. You can just find it out over there. So now you can just copy the link. You can go to your browser. You can just paste it, and you will see one Java version will be downloaded. Okay. As I have already downloaded, I am just going to delete it, and I'll go to my downloads folder. Okay, I'll just go to my downloads folder. I will see the Java is downloaded. Now if you want to install Java, and before going to install, let's take another case. If any Java version is installed, for example, in this command prompt, when you search with the Java space hyphen version, if you find any Java 20, Java 21, Java 22 versions, so you need to do uninstall. Okay, so the Java 1.8 or Java 8 is a suitable version, which is a stable version for the Spark. So we recommend for that. So if you want to do uninstall of 20, 21, or if any other latest versions, if you have, you can just go to the Windows button, just click on Windows, and you just type settings. You will see the settings here, and you go to apps and installed apps, and in the search apps, you just type here as a Java. You will see some entries will come. Okay, so then for example, let's take so for example this one, if it is your Java, you can just click on uninstall, and you click on next, next, next. Some options will come. Then the existing Java version will be uninstalled. Now let's go to install the new Java version. mean, that means the suitable version of Java which we need. Okay, so this is a JDK 8 or 1.8 I need. So I'll just click on double click. I'll click on yes. You will get a pop-up. So we'll click on yes, and you click on next, and just click on next. So it will just try to install all this Java setup, do all the Java process. Okay, so let's wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It will download everything, and and don't choose anything else, change or back. You just click on next, and it's installing Java in my system now. Let's wait. Yeah, it's about to complete. Just wait last couple of seconds. Okay, and so if you see the installed successfully, you can see Java SE Development Kit 8 update 331 successfully installed, and you can click on close. Then after that, once you install, after this installation, okay, how to see it is installed or not? So the basic thing is like you can just go to the C drive or this PC or my computer C drive, and you can see a file called program files, and here you see a new folder will be created as Java, okay, and JDK. Now, so this is just install, but now we need to do the extra setup for this Java as well again. Okay, so now let's see what is the setup. Now let's go to your file manager, means your my computer, and right click on this PC. You will see the properties, or if you are in a normal Windows 10, you will see directly properties. Then you see the advanced system properties settings, sorry, advanced system settings. And if it is a Windows 10, you will see the some right side advanced system settings. Okay, if you click on that, you see environment variables. Okay, so here you come and okay, okay, so now if you see here under the system variables, click on new and type a variable name called, in caps letters everything, please be careful, java underscore home, java underscore home. And as well as this variable value, we should go to here, the same C, program files, java jdk, and go here, copy the path and go back to your environment variables, paste it and click on OK. Then under the same system variables, you see the path, only path, and click on edit, click on edit. So here you have to add a new variable. Okay, but here as it is already there, okay, I can see. Okay, here you should add like this, percentage java underscore percentage slash bin. Okay, this is the same variable name what we have mentioned already, so you just need to mention as bin as an extra path, slash bin. That's all. Click on OK, click on OK and OK. Then if you go back to your command prompt, if you type the java space hyphen version, okay, give everything in lowercase letters. One second, you will see some java version is installed. Apps, installed apps, java. So this is the, okay, you can just maybe restart also. Sometimes it will show after restart the java version. That's fine. Now let's go back to the next setup, is winutils. This is winutils. Okay, so you just click on this and go to the browser and just paste the link. You see a winutils folder, a winutils file will be downloaded. Okay, now we need to set up the winutils. How to set up winutils? Now just go back to your same file manager. You can just C drive. Okay, open the C drive and you just create a new folder called Hadoop. Right click on anywhere on right side, new folder, and click on Hadoop. Sorry, type as Hadoop. mm, Then double click on it. You can just go inside of this empty folder, which is a newly created one. Then after this, you can just create again one more new folder as bin, as just bin. Okay. Then, so whichever the downloaded file you have, this winutils file, you just copy paste into this bin folder. Okay, you no need to double click or install anything, you just copy paste this winutils file. That's enough. Now let's again, we need to do some setup. So let's go to this PC and properties, same advanced system settings, environmental variables, and you have to set up this java home. Okay, so sorry, Hadoop home, create a, so click on new here and you just mentioned as, you just type as Hadoop underscore home. Okay, after this the variable value here, so this value you just need to copy until just your Hadoop folder, till your Hadoop folder. So here we create a Hadoop folder here, right? Just copy this and paste this and click on OK and go to the same path where we edited last time. Choose this path, click on edit and create a variable like this. Okay, generally it won't be there in our systems. Okay, I can say just delete this. Okay, you can just click on new, just click on new, Hadoop home slash bin, Hadoop percentile, Hadoop home percentile slash bin. Click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. Then with this, the winutils setup is completed. That's all. Let's next one. Go to the third step, Spark extract. Spark extract. Okay, Spark is not a kind of a tool, like it's a kind of framework. So which is nothing but it's like collection of jars. You just need to download a Spark version. Okay. So if you click on this, you will see, just go copy paste the URL what I'm giving. You just see a downloaded version of jar will be available in your downloads folder. You can see Spark 2.4.7 bin Hadoop 2.6. Okay, and so just for better practice, you just go to the C drive. Okay, and create a new folder as, you can just type like big data softwares. Okay, you just keep any one folder whichever you feel comfortable, and I'm just copy pasting this file because I just need to extract this. Okay, then you can just right click on this and you can say open with, or else we can just extract all. Okay, if you have already zzip, or else like if you have any 7-zip kind of folders or winrar, so it will directly allow you to extract all. Okay, I'm just giving into the same path, big data softwares, extract. Okay, it is just trying to extract the all the files. You see, it's copying, it's already created. Okay, now if I go inside, I have jars. Yes. So this is what we need, our jars. Okay. That's all. Then Spark extraction is completed. And the final big part is IntelliJ setup. Okay. IntelliJ download. And similarly, just copy this link and go to the Google and any browser. You just click on this. Okay. Then automatically you will find out one application is trying to download. Okay. As I have already downloaded, I'm not going to download it again. Okay. So I'll go to my downloads folder. You will see idea C. You will see this idea C. Okay. I'm just copying this idea C and just storing into the same big data softwares folder. Okay. Just you can keep it anywhere else in downloads also. That's fine. For that's, I'm just keeping it for my reference. So I'll just double click on this. Here you will see the actual installation and setup of IntelliJ. Okay. This is the most important part, and be careful. And if you double click on this, you will see after maybe 10 to 15 seconds, you will see an icon called yes. I mean, it's asking you to install that application. Then after that, you will see this kind of pop-up. Click next to continue, next, and just add bin folder to the path and create a desktop shortcut. So this will just give you a shortcut how other applications, okay, on your desktop. But even these are not mandatory. If you want, you can just give. Then just click on next, install. That's all. Then the installation of IntelliJ is just doing. Just wait for a couple of seconds. It'll do install soon. Guys, now my installation is about to complete now. Okay, you can, like, it's asking to restart my system. You can just click on I want to manually reboot later, and you can just click on finish. And after that, if you just search IntelliJ, you can just see this application as IntelliJ Community Edition. Just click on this. So the IntelliJ will open soon, or else as we have given a shortcut, even if you double click on this icon, even it will open the IntelliJ. Okay. So after this, the first time it will ask you to confirm the some license certifications. You can just click on continue. Okay, fine guys. Whenever you see sometimes you click on this IntelliJ version. So this version, what I'm giving. So you see, do not import settings. Okay. So sometimes this option will come. Choose this and click on OK. Then IntelliJ will open. Okay. Choose like a new project. Okay. So it's automatically detecting the JDK as we installed 1.8. Okay. And if you don't find it out, you can just click on the download JDK and you can download any new version, but choose only 18 or 1.8. Okay. Then you can choose Amazon Corretto. This is also fine. Click on download. Then that will show. Okay. Now you choose language as a Scala. If you click on plus icon, you see language as a Scala. Okay. And make this install this plugin. This will just install and it will restart the IDE. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. So now let's see. I am just clicking on restart IDE, restart, and this IDE will close and it will reopen again. Okay. Now click on new project again and you just choose the Scala language. Then build system will come automatically this SBT, download the resources, and in Scala you choose 2.12.1. So any version is fine, but you can just choose for 2.12. Add some okay sample code. It will just create some folders. That's fine. And give the project name as Spark hyphen Scala. Okay. So this is fine. Spark underscore Scala. Click on create. We'll just create the project and we have already plugged in that Scala language as well. So we don't need to do externally setup again. Okay. Then you see automatically some Scala code has been written over here. You see under the SRC main Scala, under a main, like under the Scala, you see one main object is created and you see the project is, sorry, this sample code already has been given. And just click on this run current file. You see the run icon. Okay. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So still this SBT indexing is happening. Okay. So we have chosen this JDK 1.88. So this JDK 1.8 and as well as this SBT build tool is both are just sync up with this project. Okay. Just wait for a couple of seconds. It will just build. Just wait until this all the setup is done. So until then it will give showing some errors and red lines and everything. You just ignore it. Just sit back and to just look at look at here. So the final the touch up and indexing is happening. Just wait. So it's about to close now. Yes, it's done. Now you see the run icon is enabled. You click on run and the build will happen. After this, the output will display to you. Every time whenever you run any object or Scala class, Here it will just run the build every time. You just wait for a couple of seconds, it will show the output. Okay, in bottom you see this is done. And so we have extracted the Spark jars, right? Let's see how to add the Spark jars to the project. Okay, you can just click on this file, project structure, you go to the modules and dependencies and click on plus here and click on these jars or directories, and you go to the folder where exactly we have extracted. We have extracted under C folder, C big data softwares, and if you click on this arrow mark it will just extract, and it will just click on jars. You will see all the jars and choose the, just click on this first one, just click on the first one, don't click on any key in your computer. Just scroll down, and you will see the jars will end at one point. Okay, just click on shift key and click on this last jar, then all the jars will select automatically instead of individual jar selection. Then click on OK, and it will just add all these jars here. So let's wait, all the jars are adding up, and please make sure uncheck this folder here and click on OK and apply. OK, then again the files indexing will happen because as we added jars, and every time whenever you add any jar, then this indexing and library indexing will happen always. Be careful and let it run. So once this indexing will happen, we'll just import org dot apache dot. So let's wait, it's not taking time. I mean, it's not taking. It's going to complete now. Yes, it's done. Now let's see import. So I'm just importing one Spark. Okay, org dot apache dot spark dot. Okay, I can see the Spark context. This is for RDDs, and everything is coming now. So we can import one more. Just import space org dot apache dot spark dot sql dot spark session. This is for data frames. That's all. And this is the end of your IntelliJ setup. Let's welcome back to Spark and stay tuned for further sessions.